Hi guys, we're back, and today it's Chef Dre, living your best life at 50, living my best life at 50. I'm going to be doing, it's New Year's Eve, and for tomorrow's lunch we're going to be doing one of my briskets. I did one at Christmas, it went down very well, so we're going to do the same now for New Year's. I've already got the brisket ready here, it was partially prepared. I've trimmed the fat off it, the excess fat. It was partially spiced and then frozen, it's now defrosted again. And I'm just going to add the dry rub right now. I have gone with the pre-prepared spices for today. I'm not mixing all my own spices. Call it cheating, it's okay. So I'm just getting the sides of it in a little bit. This particular brisket's about 2.5 kilograms, and I'm going to be smoking it on a Weber Kettle for 12 hours. I'm adding 2 different spices because the one is going to give it a little bit of a different smoked flavor. The spices basically have your usual meat spices, your garlics and all sorts in it, so it covers all the bases. Lovely piece of meat. So the reason we're only using dry rub is smoking it for 12 hours. If you use any kind of wet seasoning, any kind of bastings, honeys, it's going to burn, and we will end up with a bark on the meat, but we don't want it to actually burn. This is going to just stand now for a couple of hours, and then we will get it on the fire. So the dirtiest part of the process, basically don't pack the coals too high all the way around, just too wide and too high in a U shape. And we're only going to burn it from the one side, which will let it burn down like a wick. And we'll go anti-clockwise because the brisket tastes better that way. And then that'll take us 12 hours to get through all these coals. Right, so what we're doing now is putting on the wood chips. We're using hickory and some sawdust from oak wine barrels. I've soaked the wood chips in water so that they don't flame up too quickly and give us some extra smoke. And I won't put the sawdust too close to the start of the coals, so the heat can actually build up before we start getting a smoke on the meat. And yeah, we're just going to be lighting the fire now, and then as soon as this fire light is burnt out we can add the brisket. And we got fire, baby! Okay, the fire's ready. Our brisket's going to go on now. I'm going to put it in a foil tray so it keeps all the juices within it. Some people like to smoke it direct on the grid. This will keep it a little bit more moist. Alrighty, our brisket's going to go in the middle. Firelight has burned down, the coals are starting. It'll be about 20 minutes and then the smoke will be starting. Now all we do is we close it. Vents must only be half open, always facing into the wind. Okay, by the sheer magic of television and some blind faith, it's now 12 hours later and we trust that there will be a cooked brisket inside here. And voila! So the brisket's rested for about 45 minutes. I'm going to now just transfer it and we can see how this comes out. Okay, let's make that first cut. Definitely got a nice bark to it. Look at that juice. Alright guys, so the brisket's done. I've cut it up. We're going to have a taste now. What I have used is a 57 centimeter Weber. You don't have to have a Weber, but it helps. Okay, let's have a go. It's my little piece of brisket, all nice and juicy. I think it's fantastic, but let's not take my word for it. Let's get some taste testers here. Okay guys, have a go.
Grab a piece.
Should I take the whole thing?
Please taste Andre's brisket.
And what's the verdict?
Really, really good.
Very good.
It's really good.
When you're making the next one.
Okay, so there you have it. It's not just my verdict. Remember, like, subscribe, and keep cooking. Dre out.